electric engines are changing the way we think about transportation and power. Unlike traditional gasoline engines that burn fuel to create motion, electric engines use electrical energy stored in batteries to spin a motor. This simple yet powerful difference makes them far more efficient, cleaner, and smoother to operate. When you press the accelerator in an electric car, power flows instantly to the motor, giving immediate torque and fast acceleration. There's no delay, no gear shifts, just smooth, silent power that feels futuristic. One of the biggest advantages of an electric engine is efficiency. While a gasoline engine loses most of its energy as heat and friction, an electric motor converts over 85% of the energy from the battery directly into motion. That means more energy goes into actually moving the vehicle, not wasting it. Because of this, electric cars require less energy overall to travel the same distance as traditional vehicles. Another major benefit is the environmental impact. Electric engines produce no exhaust gases or harmful emissions while driving. There's no smoke, no carbon dioxide, and no air pollution coming out of the tailpipe, because there is no tailpipe. This makes electric vehicles an excellent choice for cities struggling with smog and poor air quality. And when the electricity used to charge them comes from renewable sources like solar or wind, the total carbon footprint becomes even smaller, helping to slow down global climate change. The silence of an electric motor is also something that surprises many new drivers. There's almost no engine noise, just a soft hum from the tires and the road. This quietness reduces noise pollution in busy areas, making cities calmer and more peaceful. Inside the cabin, the ride feels smoother, because there are no vibrations from pistons or exhaust systems. This makes long drives more comfortable and relaxing. Operating an electric engine is also much cheaper. Charging with electricity generally costs less than refueling with gasoline or diesel, and maintenance costs are dramatically lower. There are fewer moving parts, no oil changes, no exhaust systems to repair, and no spark plugs or timing belts to replace. Even the brakes last longer thanks to regenerative braking, which uses the motor to slow the vehicle while sending some of that energy back into the battery. Over time, these savings can add up to thousands of dollars for the owner. Regenerative braking is another clever feature of electric engines. When you lift your foot off the accelerator or press the brake pedal, the electric motor reverses its function, it becomes a generator. Instead of wasting the car's kinetic energy as heat, it captures some of that energy and stores it back in the battery. This process improves efficiency and helps extend the vehicle's range. Electric engines are also simpler and more reliable. A gasoline engine has hundreds of components that must work together: valves, pistons, injectors, and more. An electric motor, on the other hand, has just a few key parts: the rotor, stator, and bearings. Fewer parts mean fewer chances of something breaking. Because of this simplicity, electric motors tend to last longer and require less maintenance, giving them a big advantage in durability. The convenience of charging is another appealing factor. You don't need to stop at a gas station anymore. You can charge your car overnight at home, plug it in while you're at work, or use fast chargers on the road during long trips. It's as simple as charging your phone, just plug in and let it charge while you go about your day. And as charging networks expand worldwide, finding a charger is becoming easier every year. Electric engines also play a huge role in the global shift toward clean energy. By using electricity instead of fossil fuels, we can integrate transportation with renewable power sources like solar, wind, and hydro energy. This connection supports a greener energy grid and reduces our dependence on oil. Every electric car on the road helps push the world closer to a sustainable future. Driving an electric vehicle powered by an electric engine also feels different, in a good way. Because the batteries are placed low in the vehicle, the center of gravity is lower, improving balance and handling. The acceleration is instant and smooth, making city driving effortless and highway merging fast and confident. Many electric vehicles also include modern features like one-pedal driving, smart connectivity, and even semi-autonomous systems that make driving safer and more enjoyable. Overall, electric engines offer a combination of efficiency, performance, and sustainability that traditional engines simply can't match. They are cleaner for the planet, cheaper to run, quieter on the road, and more reliable over time. As battery technology continues to improve and charging stations become more common, electric engines are set to dominate the future of transportation. They represent not just a change in how we drive, but a transformation in how we power our world, smarter, cleaner, and more connected than ever before. Chat.